Hello and welcome to Escape Tech Zone. This recording we will see how to install VMware Horizon 8 Replica server. Double click on installation, the installation launch, click next, select the license agreement next. I go with default location. Here you select the Horizon Replica server, click next. And here we'll have to provide the first connection server name or the IP address. I go with the first connection server name, click next. I go with the Windows Firewall auto configuration, click next, install. Now the installation will take some time. This installation process will try to copy the Adam database from connection server 1 to a replica server. Waiting for the initial LDAP replication to complete. Installation complete, click finish. It's by default opening the Windows Explorer. I like to use Google Chrome. Close this. Let's go to Horizon Admin Console, right click, open with, select Google Chrome as a browser. Click advanced, proceed. Key in the Horizon Admin username, password, and click sign in. Now we are successfully able to log into the admin console. Let's go and verify the connection server, connection server tab, and we can see two servers are installed and enabled to CS01, CS02. Now the installation is successful. Next video we will see how to do the initial configuration. Thanks.